Hello guys, welcome to another Android Studio tutorial. In this video I will show you how we can create a button which will open another activity. So let's start. First open Android Studio, create a new Android Studio project, click empty activity, click next. Now change the name if you want to. Now click finish. So we have to create a main activity too. So click any of this folder, then right click, go to new, go to activity and select empty activity. Now you will see main activity 2. Let's create it. Now go to activity main XML file. In this, first we will change the constraint layout to relative layout. Now we will remove constraint from text and move this text to the center. After this, we will change the text to activity T1. Also change the size so we can see it clearly. Text size to 20 sp. So now copy this relative layout and copy in activity main 2. Change this to a main activity 2. Change the activity 1 to 2 and go to main activity XML file. Now we have to create a button which will open another activity, which is activity 2. So create a button, wrap content. Now text, open activity 2. So scroll it to the below from activity 1 and also give it a ID so we can identify which button we want for this activity. So ID, we will give it simply button because we are not using any other button. It's a simple program. So now our XML files are ready. Now let's go to main activity Java file. In this we will give a command to a button which we have created and it will open another activity. So let's start our code. First, below public class, we will create a private class, button. If you see error on the button, hold on button and click on import class. So there it is gone. So now below this, we'll give a button is equal to button find view by ID and r.id, the ID which we have given to the button, which is button. Now then again button, dot set on listener, new, view dot id on listener. Now you will see automatically override will and public avoid on click will show to you. Now we have to write open main activity 2 came below. So now below this we have to write another code, public void open main activity intent is equal to new intent this. So this is a place where you will give a name which you have given to the activity, which will be open after clicking on a button. So in our case it is main activity 2. So also write dot class. Don't forget to give a semicolon. Start main activity intent. So you will see the error. So click on this and import class. After this, let's run our program. So when we click on open activity 2, it will open activity 2. Click back, test again. So when we click on open activity 2, it will open activity 2. So that's it. So if you learn from this video, please subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video. Goodbye.